In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Apple Creator Studio on your Mac. Apple Creator Studio is a suite of creative applications that you can access as a subscription. Think of it as Apple's answer to the Creative Cloud, where you can access Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and other applications for a monthly cost. If we scroll down here, we can see which applications are included in the Apple Creator Studio, and these are the ones that are currently part of the subscription. Take note of how these logos look, as we will need this information for later. To download Apple Creator Studio applications, there isn't a single hub like there is with Creative Cloud. Instead, you just need to download the apps individually. To do this, we first need to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to select App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, you want to click on the search bar, and then you want to search for any of the Apple Creator Studio apps that you want to download. So for the example of this video, I'm going to search for Numbers. As you can see, it has appeared in the top results, and we know this is the Apple Creator Studio version of Numbers, as this logo looks exactly the same as the ones that we just previewed on their website. If we scroll down, we can also see the listing for the non-Apple Studio version of Numbers, and that's what this logo looks like. So make sure you don't get them mixed up, as they can look very similar to one another. So we're going to go back to the Apple Studio version of Numbers and select it, and then you can view more information about it. From here, we just need to select Get, and then that's going to download the application to our Mac. Now we've downloaded the application to our Mac, we just need to subscribe to Apple Creator Studio. So to do this, we first want to open the application we just downloaded. And once we've done this, you may see a splash screen, which is going to look slightly different for every app. So we're going to select Continue. Now it's going to give you a list of all of the features that are exclusive to the Apple Creator Studio version of the application. So once we're ready, we're going to select Continue. And now we can go ahead and start using the free version of this application if that's available. However, we want to subscribe to Apple Creator Studio. So to do this, we're going to select the application name in the top system menu, and in the drop down menu, we're going to select Get Apple Creator Studio. Now you are going to see this registration page, and if you haven't used Apple Creator Studio before, you will get a 1 month free trial. If you'd like to see all of the available plans, we want to select See All Plans, and then we can select a plan from any of these options. So I'm going to stick to the monthly and select Accept Free Trial. And then we just want to go ahead and purchase Apple Creator Studio just like we would with any other application, and we can start using it just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.